What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. We are all set up in the new spot. Got my edit station all set. Got the modeling area all set up. Got the booth set. Got a new filter for it. Just need to put it in. Got some of my camera stuff, and there's still more to be put away and unboxed. Got all my stash set up here in the closet. These will all be built or unboxed or something. They were not to be collected, they're to be built. That's how I roll around here. So, speaking of, we're going to do an unbox. I'm going to keep this fan on and see how annoying it is. And we're going to get into this Grumpy's Vega that I picked up at Wally World the other day. So this is one of the kits that I picked up at Wally World the other day. Was in there getting something else, and I saw their pallet sale. You know, they've got a pallet of kits. It's not an old kit, not a new kit. I don't know, been reboxed or who knows. But I'm gonna crack it open and we're gonna take a look at what's inside of Grumpy's Vega. I know a lot of people were really excited about this when it came out. A bunch of people were all pre-ordering it. And, you know, whatever. I don't know. Again, it was on the Walmart pallet thing, so I jumped on it. It was a good deal. Retooled. Yeah, so, you know, it's probably a round 2 repop. Retro Deluxe. The box has, you know, there are all kinds of nifty artwork on it. They're always really proud of. Part of their Pro Stock series. I'm kind of hoping that I can build it regular. But, you know, I don't know. We'll see. You know how we do. I don't really do anything normal. Or by the box anyways. And this is an actual unboxing. I have not seen this. You're watching it for the first time with me. So right away, let's look at these beautiful decals. The expanded decal sheet. Some cool, cool stuff there. I dig it. I will probably be using some of those. Again, I don't know if I'm going to be making if I'm going to do the box build or what. I don't know. We'll see how we get into it. The NPC's instruction sheets. Ugh, they always like leave a little to be desired, you know, but whatever, it's pretty simple. Motor halves, other stuff, things and stuff. Do things with those, and those do other things. Put stickers here, whatever. Oh, look at those sweet tires. Yeah, let's crack those open and take a look. Oh my gosh. Yeah, those are really nice. Those will stand up and look really good. Super wide. And then the fronts, you know, typical quarter-mile car. It's got like just street tires on the front. Just that's to steer for 12 seconds. Metal axle for the back. Where's the body? We'll start with that. That Vega. What year is this? 72. It's got some little nuggets, you know. Typical to be expected. It's modeling, flash, sanding, whatever. But it's got some good clean mold lines. I mean, not mold lines, but panel lines. Looks good. I do appreciate that the nose is already glued on there. Or part of the mold, I should say. Both the front and the rear. That always makes for assembly a little bit cleaner, you know. The chassis has pretty limited detail. It's not real prominent. It's got that sort of bleh look. Same with the interior. But, you know, this is a dragster is the idea, so, or quarter mile or whatever. It's a race car. Because race car. Throwing parts. We have more than one hood. Yes, there is. Okay, cool. There's one hood option with some pins. optional scoops. Let's just get into the other one now while we're talking about it. Let's talk about pop music. Ooh, music reference. Come on, tell me what that is. Yeah, and there's, okay, similar hood, but with a scoop already on it. That's interesting. So I guess you could just have it open if you wanted to, or put the, it's a lower profile scoop. Okay, I get it. Ooh, nice, big, thick dumps. Cool, cool. Exhaust high rise, or I mean intake. Not sure what that is. And then the dashboard, pretty limited details on that. Not the best, but you know, a little toothpick paint, that'll pull out, it'll look alright. I didn't even look if there's any details, dashboard stuff on the decals. Doesn't look like it. So, gotta do it yourself. I like to do it myself. Do you like to do it yourself? Haha, not movie reference. Tell me what it is. Headers that need to be assembled. Those are always fun. Those will look good if we kind of clean that out, hollow those out a little bit to show the gap. And the engine components. Yeah, again, looks okay. Not too bad on the flash, not too bad. It's in okay shape. Missing parts flying out. Not sure if that's part of the kit or not. It has a number on it, so it's not. Well, I mean, it is part of the kit, but it's not the model. Looks like the stock steering wheel. Vega! And that's about it for the plastic parts, or the not clear, I don't know, words. One piece clears, optional side windows, headlights, tail lights. Nice. I always like it when they do include the red clears. They just look so much better. I mean, you know, you can paint the orange or the red on and it comes out looking okay, but the clear reds just look so much better. Translucent. Ooh, nice. Not a huge centerline wheel fan, but the deep dish does look good. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's going to be cool. I think I am going to be building it like that. There's that Vega grill. Stock Vega. Huh. I wonder why there's one Coke bottle. Interesting. That's leftover from some other kit. Looks like something could have maybe went there at one time. Yeah, I always wonder how they redesign these tools and these trees. I'd love to go see a factory. If anybody knows of how and where you could actually go to round two and watch the process, let me know in the comments. I'd be really interested in doing that. Well, there's those, you know, single or solid rather, excuse me, center lines. Huh, options. Okay, so you've got deep dish solids and a different offset. Okay, the deep dish are probably going to look better. And that about does it for the Chevy Vega. Grumpy's Vega. Again, a lot of people were all hot for this when it got re-released, and you know, had them pre-ordered, and some people have complained that it didn't go together all that great. You know, NPC, a lot of people like to hate on it. I don't know, they're all models, it's just plastic. A little glue, a little paint, a little putty, a little paint makes a carpenter what he ain't. I learned that little adage a long time ago, and carpenters don't like it. So, whatever, I'll put that stuff away, and that about does it for the Grumpy's Vega. Just wanted to get some out there, get the new studio all set up. I'm excited to get that booth running and start painting. Just got to get the filter out of the box and put it in there, and it's ready to go. Start shooting some stuff. Got all my paints out, all my stuff. Not sure about the you know, the workflow, how that's going to work, what's going to be. I'm already thinking stuff's going to want to be on the right side, not the left, but we're going to start with all of these. These are leftovers from the, not leftovers, but these are the ones from the move that for one reason or another didn't make it, didn't pass inspection. Like, you know, there's a tweaked antenna on that one, and little parts here and there, stuff that needs to get glued back on. Nothing major at all. It actually was a pretty solid move. So that's probably the first thing I'm going to get to work on and glue all that stuff together, and got some shelves put up and more to come. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give me a like, thumbs up, subscribe, all that kind of horse hockey, hoo-ha, and we'll see you in the next one.